Hey, little explorers! Ready to zoom into the world of transportation and learn English with some awesome vehicle facts? Let's start our engine and ride into learning fun. And don't forget to play the fun game at the end of this video. Let's vroom vroom go. Land vehicles. Car. A car keeps you cozy and dry while zooming down the road. Car. Bus. A bus carries a whole group. It's the party van for daily rides. Bus. Bicycle. A bike runs on your own power. Pedal to move, no gas needed. Bicycle. Train. Trains ride on rails and never take a wrong turn. Choo-choo smart. Train. Motorbike. A motorbike runs on a small engine and moves fast through busy streets. Motorbike. Skateboard. A skateboard rides with balance and boldness. Skateboard. Electric scooter. E-scooters run on batteries. Quiet, clean, and cool. Electric scooter. Tractor. Tractors are farm heroes, strong and super helpful. Tractor. Ambulance. Ambulances rush with sirens to save lives. Zoom. Ambulance. Air vehicles. Airplane. Planes fly above the clouds, even faster than birds. Airplane. Helicopter. Helicopters go straight up, like a flying elevator. Helicopter. Hot air balloon. It floats with hot air, like a flying bubble. Hot air balloon. Rocket. Rockets blast into space, way past the clouds. Rocket. Water vehicles. Ship. Ships float across oceans carrying huge stuff. Sea giants. Ship. Submarine. A submarine dives deep underwater like a whale and uses sonar to see in the dark. Submarine. Game time. Listen and guess. Let's play a fun sound game. Listen and guess the vehicle. What's that sound? Is it a rocket? A helicopter? Or maybe an airplane? It's an airplane. What's that sound? Is it a bus? A bike? Or maybe a car? It's a car. What's that sound? Is it a plane? A submarine? Or maybe a rocket? It's a rocket. What's that sound? Is it a fire truck? A scooter? Or maybe an ambulance? It's an ambulance. What's that sound? Is it a ship? A train? Or maybe a submarine? It's a train. Great job, little traveler. You just learned 15 fun English vehicle words and awesome science facts. Loved it? Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss another ride into learning. Bye for now, Speed Stars.